Let us look at a poem from Tili Kannada grade 6. The name of the poem is Kannadamma. It is written by Bhagirathi Hegade. Kannadamma means Mother Kannada. So, a mother, she takes care of her child. She bears the child in a room. She gives birth to the child. She feeds the child. She nurtures the child. She shows all her love and affection on her child. And protecting the child is of utmost importance for the mother. Similarly, the land in which we live also is like our mother, because the land provides us with a lot of crops and food. It gives us a lot of opportunities to work. It makes our dreams come true. So the land in which we live is also compared to our mother. That is what the poetess is trying to do here. She is comparing Mother Kannada to a mother who is always caring for her child. So now let us look at the paragraph. This is the first paragraph. Hottu hettu salahidavalu ತುತ್ತನಿತ್ತು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದವಳು ಎತ್ತಿ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಿದವಳು ತಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲವೇ. Hottu means to carry or bear the child in a room. Hettu, give birth. Salahidavalu, protect or take care of her child. Tuttanittu, feed the child. And ಬೆಳೆಸಿದವಳು, nurture and make the child grow. ಎತ್ತಿ ಮುದ್ದಾಡಿದವಳು. Muddadu means to show all the affection and cuddle the baby and pamper the baby. ತಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲವೇ. So the first paragraph is talking about what a mother will do to her child. So she carries or bears the child in a room. When she gives birth to the child, she protects and takes care of the child. She feeds the child and she nurtures the child. So she also cradles the child. That is only our mother. Similarly, our motherland also does that same thing to us. Motherland also gives us food and takes care of all our needs and necessities. The next paragraph. ನುಡಿಗೆ ನಾದ ತುಂಬಿದವಳು ಎದೆಗೆ ಹಾಡ ನುಡಿದವಳು ಓಡಲಿ ಗಣ್ಣ ಉಣಿಸಿದವಳು ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. Nudi is speech or language. Nada is tone or sound. Tumbidavu is fill. Ede is heart. And Nudu is to feed. Then Vodali Ganna Unisidavalu. Vodalu means your stomach or body. She feeds food. And who does all this? Amma, mother. And here Kannadammanallave. Even our motherland does that to us. So a mother, so when a child is very young, the mother only teaches the child to speak. So the mother fills sound and tone to the speech of the child. And she feels the love. So just like how a mother teaches a child to speak, Kannadamma also has fed us with the milk of the language. Fed us with the milk of the love for the Kannada language. Then Vodali Ganna Unisidavalu, and she has fed food to our stomach. So just like how our mother teaches us to speak, Kannadamma has filled our heart with the love for our language. Then, 1 minute. The next paragraph. ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನವಿರಿಸಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಬರಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಯುವವಳು ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. Mannu is soil, chinna is gold, kannu is eye, belaku is light, kayuvavalu is protect. So now this paragraph is talking about how Kannada, Mother Kannada has taken care of us. So manninalli chinna virisi, she has kept gold in the soil. So the soil is giving us so much of opportunities, and also it is feeding us with food and all the necessary things for us to lead a life. Then ಕಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಬರಿಸಿ. She has made our dreams come true. She is filling our eyes with light of hope and opportunity. And she protects us. Namma nimma kaayuvavalu ammanallave. Doesn't she protect us? The mother Kannada also protects us, just like our own mother protects us. So Kannadammanallave. It is our motherland which is doing all this. Motherland, just like our own mother, is providing us with food, filling our hearts with lot of hope and protecting us also. Then ಮೊರೆವ ಕಡಲ ತೆರೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಸುರಿವ ಮಳೆಯ ಹನಿಗಳಾಗಿ ನಿರತ ಲಾಲಿ ಹಾಡುವವಳು ಅಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲವೇ. ಮೊರೆವ means making noise, roar. Kadala is sea. Teregalu is waves. Suriva is pour. Male is rain. Honey is drops. Nirata is continuous. Lali is lullaby. Now, just like how a mother sings lullaby to put her baby to sleep, Mother Kannada is also singing lullaby to us. How is she singing lullaby? In the form of waves. The sea always keeps making a roaring noise of the waves. So that is Kannada. Mother Kannada is like singing lullaby for us. And she is also, so the lullaby what mother is singing for us is in the form of the waves in the sea and as the raindrops falling from the rain. So there is a continuous lullaby, just like how a mother sings for a baby, so does our Kannada Amma does it for us in the form of waves from the sea and raindrops from the rain. Then Amma ninage nooru namana kannu bittu nodu namma ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಯ ನೆತ್ತಿ ಹರಸು ತಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲವೇ ನಾಡ ದೇವಿಯಲ್ಲವೇ. ನೂರು is 100. Namana is respects or prayers. Then kannu bittu means open your eyes. Nodu is see and harasu is bless. So finally, in the last paragraph, the poetess is showing her gratitude to Mother Karnataka. She is saying that we are praying you in 100 different forms. We are giving all our respects and prayers to you. Please open your eyes, lift your hand and bless all of us. Bless all of us, you, the children of this land. So this is Kannadamma.